You have to go
3
like
seconds.
You have to go like this to the video.
No, I'm not. I'm chewing it right here over this seat like this. You'll see me put it in my mouth. You'll see me
You
go.
want a beer?
Shut up.
Hey,
This
you want
the
a beer?
fuck out.
You want a beer?
Alright.
And $400 and you buy me a new toothbrush on the way home tomorrow.
That's fine.
Because I'm brushing my fucking
That's
teeth
fine.
right now. I'm not going to get it until tomorrow with that toothbrush.
Hold on.
Videotaping? Get the fucking Devin. No one sees this. Oh my god.
That's
You're
so
gonna
fucked.
do it!
Product of moose.
Or Maverick, who knows?
Yeah, who
It
knows?
could be 3 weeks old, who knows? Dude, you got 2 minutes to do it.
I got as long as I want.
Okay, Cody.
Who's up here?
Cody.
Right over there. Put it over there so you had to run and get it. Here, I got the lighting on you, dude. It's gold. Come on, bro. You're wasting water. No, drink all of it. Don't leave no beer in your mouth. He's such a liar. You're such a liar. You're such a liar.
You ain't doing it. You ain't doing it. You're not doing it, bro.
Hurry up, bro. You're wasting my battery.
I'm kind of scared. Hold on. I gotta think about this now. I was in the mindset. So, stick this in my mouth.
Chew it up for
That's
3
so
seconds.
So gross. So self-degrading.
Chew it up for 3 seconds.
So self-degrading, dude.
Can we give myself like 10 minutes to shotgun like 5 beers?
No, just do it real fast and get it over with.
Come on, bro. You're wasting video.
3 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
I was so going to do it.
$400.
$400.
$400.
Yeah.
You're lying.
I swear to God, I was gonna give him. It's one of you guys. One of you-
Dude, is he me or you?
4 seconds?
Bro.
3 seconds.
I got 2 on it.
Yeah! Yes! Dad, send that video to me.
Oh my fucking God.
Hey, that's my toothbrush.
That's my toothbrush.
So you better not use my toothbrush.
Dude, get the fuck out of here. Look how stupid.
Yes!
Look how fucking red my eyes are. I want that at 20.
You want it in the 20s? Is that what you said? What a freak, he ate dog
That's
shit.
so fucking gross.
You have no self-esteem at all. I can never look at you the same. This kid who eats